In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the scatter plot in Excel. For this example, I'm using official dataset called Fisher's Iris Dataset in 1936. We have here two columns. One column represents the data length in centimeters, and this column represents the corresponding measure values. Now let's create a scatter plot from this data. First, we need to highlight both columns in our data set. So in order to do this, I will select first cell, two cells, then drag until to include all the data points from my data set. We have 301 cells. Then next, go to the insert button here and then go to the scatter plot. Then you will see the scatter plot for the Fisher's Iris dataset in 1936. Once the scatter plot appears, we need to customize it for better readability. We can add the axis title, so I will going to change axis title as Fisher's Iris dataset. Fisher's Iris dataset. Then also we can change the axis. In order to change the axis, I will click the chart, then go here and choose the axis title. Then you can change the x-axis title as measures data or petal length in millimeters, and y-axis as petal width in millimeters. Then also show to others it's how is the data, it's trending, it's linearly which way is trending. It's taking the close line for this scatter plot. In order to do this, we can go to the chart element, click in this. In order to do that, we can click the chart element and click the trend line from here. You can use the linear trend line, or it's up to you. But here I will choose the linear trend line. Then you can see the scatter plot for your dataset, Fisher's Iris dataset. This is how we create a scatter plot. This type of charts help visualize the relationships between two numerical data variables. Thank you.